Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again, putting in work for the grocery channel. How y'all doing? Hope all are doing well, getting what you need in a timely manner. Oh boy. Are you catching up on the new sales and stuff? What you got going on? I checked out Chris' channel the other day. You see Chris' name? Shout out to Chris Leon, I believe. That's how you pronounce that last name. I'm not sure. But you'll see her in the comments section. Click on her channel, go over there and subscribe and support. Great channel. She does grocery hauls and some great ones. And she shows what she like to eat. What do you call? Mukbang dishes. Yeah, but the reason why I'm mentioning Chris today is because she got a good deal. It's a grocery store that she shops at that's even cheaper than the grocery outlet when she finds cheap deals at the grocery outlet. And it's Cost, I think the name was Cost something, C-O-S-T. I never heard of that store, but anyway, it's a great store because it got some real good dirt cheap prices. 10-pound bag of potatoes, I believe, was $1.38. Can like chocolate chips, she had Reese's chips, 98 cents. And also, what I really enjoyed looking and seeing it was that she had 2-pound packs of spaghetti, 2 pounds, and they were only a dollar. That's 2 packs in one, 2 pounds, only a dollar. She got 10 of them bad boys. Go on, Chris. I ain't mad at you. Sure am not mad at you, girl. You go. And she had a bunch of other great deals. She gets some bargains. She shops at the grocery outlet. I don't know how she finds these deals, but my experience in the grocery outlet is not the same. Grocery outlet in my area is all stuffy and uninviting. Doesn't feel cozy and inviting. No, it doesn't. It feels stuffy, expensive, and I don't see the deals. It's just like a regular old expensive, I would say, like Ralph's out here. Ralph's is like y'all Kroger, and Kroger owns Ralph's out here, and Food for Less. I think it's another store I can't think of right now, but yeah, it's expensive as I don't know what in the grocery outlet in my area. Chris finds deals, and I mean some steals and deals, and I ain't mad at it. Go on. Crispy just packing up on these deals. Y'all need to go to her channel. I don't know who lived with Chris, but Chris got a lot of groceries. She get groceries like almost every other day. A bunch. Chris, you got who you feeding over there, Chris? It ain't none of our business, Chris. But I love your stockpile hauling, grocery shopping self. I love it. Every minute of it. You do great. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all like grocery stockpiles, hauling, Go check out Chris' channel. Really, go check it out. A 10-pound bag of potatoes, $1.38. Shoot, I remember when it was 99 cents. I used to go to Superior Market. Superior Market used to have all those dollar items sitting outside in front of the store. You know, they quit doing that type of stuff since the COVID era. They don't do it anymore, and the price ain't the same anymore. I would love to see those 99-cent napkins and stuff and stock up on all that dollar stuff. Hold up, y'all. But over there with Chris, they have those deals still existing. How? What they had? Chicken wings, I believe, at the store she was shopping at. Not chicken wings, excuse me. Chicken legs. They were 59 cents a pound. I ain't seen that price that cheap since, I guess it's Superior would sell their meat that cheap. Superior Market. Y'all ain't heard? We got Superior Market out here, and Superior would have very good prices. You go in there, they would sell 10-pound bags of potatoes, $1 and stuff. They would have some great deals. And it used to be this other market out here called Top Value, I believe. They used to have stacks of veggies outside the store. 20 pounds of onions and $1. 20 pounds of onions, $1, that kind of stuff. Do y'all remember those type of deals? It just took that stuff for granted. Now it's no longer available. Yeah, those were the good old days, especially when you had coupons was good and stuff like that. I was just looking in my room and found an old coupon notebook full of old coupons. I have vintage. I have vintage. Do I got vintage? I think I might got some vintage coupons up in that folder. Yep. I threw a lot of them away, but a lot of them, they still sitting up in here. Those were the days. Used to kill Bonds out here. They had a store out here named Bonds. They used to take every coupon. I mean, it was amazing. But anyway, let me tell y'all what I got up here. I got some more ketchup, and that ketchup came from Sam's. That's 2 pounds. Heinz ketchup. And also, I got this sauce, this barbecue sauce from Amazon, as you can see the name on there, just to stock up in the pantry, because I was low on barbecue sauce. So this is a backup, stock up haul for barbecue sauce. Never tried this original barbecue sauce. I've never tried this brand. We shall see, because I have a taste I like to it's a taste in barbecue sauce that I have to taste in order for me to like it. Because if it's tasting anything like Baby Ray, I don't like it. Baby Ray is blah to me. It don't have that old school barbecue taste to me. Especially like Chris and Pitts. Ooh, But anyway, I also got that Concord grape jelly that came from Target. I got a few things from Target. Everything is just out of whack. I'm just putting up my little stuff pieces, and y'all seen my pieces of groceries. Now put it all together and see my haul, because I miss G to be doing these pieces, because you know, I can't be picking up all that old heavy stuff. So I just put a little bit up here at a time. Save my back. Except hurt my back when I was fooling around moving a 25 pound bag of rice. Yes, I injured myself. So I feel a little better today. I'm not as stiff as I was yesterday. And I have this heat massaging back. A heat massage back pad I got on for a good deal at CVS once upon a time. Yeah, I had that thing on. It was I'm gonna put that thing back on. It was massaging on my back, and it was heat. Oh, and then it has a little thing that touches your neck. All that stuff was just massaging me right to sleep. You know, like rocking the baby. It was massaging me to sleep. It was so comforting. But the only thing is, it wasn't long enough. See, I got the lower back pain. But I guess the heat and the stimulation from the neck on down, I guess that kind of helped. But I'm gonna have to find me one that reaches down to my lower back. I would love to have one of those chairs that massage you and stuff. Any of y'all got any massaging reclining chairs? Ooh, y'all doing good. You got one of those. You just, ooh, I bet that put you to sleep so fast. But yeah, so today this is what I'm sharing, and I'm going to be using these items in a mini meals, homemade meals. Yes, I will, to flavor them up, spice them up, tasty them up, savory them up, all type of stuff. But I hope y'all having a good grocery shopping day, finding, discovering deals. If y'all anything like Chris, y'all don't know, go over there to Chris channel, because she's an expertise at finding deals. She need to teach a class. I know you got some haters, because they were like, it's out there. I'm telling you, people just admiring and ooh and eyeing and drooling over the deals you find. My YouTube friend, for real, you find some good ones. I'm over here drooling, ooh and eyeing. That spaghetti, that was such a great deal. You wasn't wrong to get 10 of those. That's like, you got, shoot, 20, because they double packs. So really it's 20 of them. I like to see your spaghetti dish that you say you love the spaghetti. Share your spaghetti dish. But okay, on that note, y'all like grocery hauls, grocery meals, and all that kind of deals and steals? Let folks know, because I would love to see it. And I see a lot. I've been seeing a lot of grocery hauls. People have been preparing and stocking their pantries and so forth, because the word on the street is things supposed to get even more expensive. I'm glad I have what I have, so I can feel a little excuse me, it was a gnat and I was trying to hit it. Yeah, I'm glad I have what I have, so I can relax, because I got can openers. I got electric one, but I do got manual can openers. Shoot, some go well. Shoot, open up a can of beans, some crackers. Shoot, yes indeed. Because a lot of people that survival preppers, they are sure, things that you can use to cook outdoors. Shoot, dig a hole, put some bricks in there, some leaves and something, and cook away. And they do have stockpilers that, do all that kind of stuff, have yards, food gardens. But anyway, I'm gonna get out here. I'm over talking. I know this video is extremely long, but enjoy it. The tits and tats. Y'all have a good one. Until later, I'm gonna do a garden video. Also, it's Thursday collab. It's Thursday, and Thursday is my puzzle on my craft channel and my gardening collab for Thursday. I'm gonna try and put these videos up. Like I tell you, my computer is not working as well as I would like it to, because it's overloaded, it's busted, it's on its lab, it ain't got no legs, let me put it that way. But later, y'all, bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.